How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. I've got a new little window mount for my DSLR, so hopefully it's nice and stable and hopefully you guys can hear me and see me pretty well. Got a GoPro on the back for exhaust noises because today we are doing a little update video on the Golf, the Miata, and the next video that you guys are going to see. So without anything else to say, let's get going. I don't know if I've done like a proper exhaust clip. I did the tune video, but it wasn't the best, so I'll give you guys a little bit here. This car is so fun. For a little hatchback, it is a blast to drive. And so speaking of driving, I'm doing something a little interesting coming up. It's not a video that I normally do, but I'm gonna try to do it and kind of see how it works. I know I don't do a ton of vlog type stuff on this channel. I mean, I do some like, you know, talking videos and explaining videos and things like that, but what we're doing in the Golf coming up is essentially the longest road trip I've ever done in my life so far, at least with me driving in my own car and things like that. This next weekend, we are traveling up to Virginia for a wedding, and we were going to fly, but airline prices are just absolutely insane right now, and don't feel like getting on a plane full of people, so figured we'd turn it into a little road trip. So we're gonna take the Golf up to Virginia from Dallas. It's gonna be like a 20-hour drive, just about, splitting it up into 2 days, stopping in Nashville halfway, driving the rest of the way, and then coming home, stopping in Nashville again. And I thought it'd just be interesting to maybe give like a perspective on a road trip in a Stage 2 Golf GTI. You know, a lot of people like think about reliability, you know, things like that, but I think the car's gonna do fine. It'll make it. I mean, it's been no problems, and I've just got the car's tires rotated, alignment. I had a bubble in one of the tires, unfortunately. I got that replaced. Car got inspected, passed. So if you're wondering, Stage 2 with a catted downpipe, yes, you will pass inspection, at least in Texas. I can't speak for everyone, but at least in Texas, you will be fine. So really kind of the point of this video is just giving you a quick update on what's coming up on the channel, just as far as like this next week goes. I mean, we've got plenty of things to do for the Golf and the Miata. The Miata is still a work in progress. I know a lot of you guys are hoping for an update on that. There's not a ton to update on. I've looked for mobile welders. That's really the only thing, that's literally the only thing that I've been waiting on, was for a mobile welder, and I've decided at this point that I don't think that idea is going to happen. So we are going to just DIY it, get a welder, I think, and go for it ourselves. It's kind of unfortunate that I couldn't find anyone, because obviously I'd like this to be like professionally done, but sometimes it's just kind of the way it is, and you got to work with what you got. You know, we're a DIY channel. We do things DIY. That's just the way we've always done it, and this is no different. But I'm really ready to get the Miata back on the road. I miss that car. I want it to be, you know, fixed up, ready to go. I mean, track days are coming up. Cooler weather's on the way here in Texas, so I'm ready. I'm ready to get the car back on the road. I'm sure you guys are just as ready as I am to get the car back on the road as well. Also, speaking of, you know, fun roads, I am am toying with the idea of doing like a meet and cruise kind of thing here in the Dallas area. Obviously I need to think a lot more on it, but if you guys have any interest in that, let me know and see if we can work something out. So there's really not like much of an update. I just figured I'd let you guys kind of know what's been going on and to expect more videos as usual. But I'm gonna find a road, set the cameras up, and maybe you guys can just kind of enjoy some driving footage without listening to me talk. And yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video. So this next clip you guys are going to see of the driving footage, I used to go on this road all the time, and it used to be really smooth and nice. Over the years it's gotten really rough, and it's the first time I've been on it in a very long time, so it was kind of a surprise to me. So enjoy the clips, listen to the car. Don't expect much like Touge action because there's not a ton of that. So if you want to end the video here, that's cool. If not, enjoy the clips. Otherwise, go down below, subscribe, leave comments, and outro will be at the end of this video as usual. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.